Hey everyone, welcome back to Epic Travel Stories. I'm your friend Ankit, and today I'm taking you on a peaceful morning walk through a snow covered forest. This breathtaking winter wonderland is in Manali, filmed right after fresh snowfall. We will be strolling through a protected forest area, following a beautiful trail that leads to a frozen lake hidden deep in the woods. So grab a warm drink, sit back, and let's enjoy this virtual winter walk together. I have provided weather updates in the end of the video as to when to expect next snowfall in Manali, so try to stick around to the end in the video. Friends, immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of Manali after snowfall with this 4K virtual winter walk through the serene snow forest of Vihar. Enjoy the peaceful, untouched winter landscape as you experience the magic of a winter forest covered in fresh snow, accompanied by peaceful, soothing instrumental music and the natural crunching sound of snow. This video is perfect for relaxation, meditation, or simply unwinding with the nature. So friends, this is what Manali looks like after snowfall. If you want to visit Manali to see snowfall, I would suggest you to plan your trip around 3rd February to 5th February because that's when 80% chances of snowfall has been predicted by Meteorological Department of India. I hope you enjoyed a peaceful walk along with me. You must have enjoyed the relaxing instrumental music, I bet. If yes, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch different kinds and types of travel videos. Go check out the channel for more videos. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
दोस्तों कैसे हो आप लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी और ऐसे वीडियोस देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।